Physical education is defined as a systematic instruction in sports, exercises and hygiene as a part of education. The health issues among youngsters has raised the significance of sports and activities in the educational curriculum. Let's take a look.
Physical education plays crucial role in the holistic development of students. Here, Campus I bring you more insight on the importance of physical education.
A healthy mind lies within a healthy body. Nowadays, health concerns have increased due to the changing lifestyles. Physical education has become an important subject in all educational institutions. Participation in physical activities is important for the overall development of youngsters. It helps to improve the physical, social and emotional health.
Physical education is the most important thing which is neglected in all schools and colleges. They never realize the importance of physical education. And one good thing is few of schools and colleges, they have reserved their time and or they are given importance. Physical education or physical activity is more important because there are so many benefits or advantages from physical activity. It leads us for leadership to stay fit and physically strong. We won't get these things from sitting inside the class between four walls. We can't learn these things. Only sports will teach us.
The father of modern physical education, Friedrich Ludwig Jahn, established the first gymnastic school for children in Germany. Physical education lessens the risk of heart diseases, stress, obesity, metabolic syndrome, anxiety and depression. It helps in the skill development and also contributes to self-discipline, improved judgment and self-confidence of the students. Physical education is not only important for the physical fitness, but it also helps in the social development.
Sports is a vital thing that everyone should opt and it should be opted in the very beginning, and that's a good time as a student. So it's very obvious that sports give you physical fitness and makes you strength you in endurance, stamina, builds up your stamina. But other than this, I feel that when a person gets into a competition, so at this time he will be working hard and he will be determined, dedicated, and he will be focused, and overall he will be confident. So what actually it provides you that this all characters and qualities in you, and it imbibes. So in a competition there's only two things which I think that either a person will win or lose. If he is winning, it's that he has bet the opponent, but the real thing is that he has bet himself and the best has come out of him and he is stronger than before and stronger than himself. So this is the best thing what a sports person can have. And if a person is losing, he just lost a one competition, but the thing is he has already gained so many of characters and qualities in him, and he is now imbibing one more quality, and that is never give up attitude. Because of a person, if he lose once, he won't give up, and he will give up his practice until he wins. So this is one added advantage for being in sports person. Well, I like to conclude that a teacher can just teach you their knowledge and experience, but they won't be able to imbibe all these characters in you, and it can be only done by sports.
Physical activities would also help students to improve concentration and ultimately help in the academics. It helps in the brain growth and improves leadership qualities. John F. Kennedy says that physical fitness is not only one of the important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. Physical education also helps to discover the talents in students and help to pursue a career in sports.
As a parent, one needs to see that their children be healthy, so that younger children who are healthy becomes healthy citizens of a nation, which will develop the nation as well. And as a parent, one needs to see that the children are involved in physical activities, because physical activities will help the child to have some socialization, build some immunity so that they become good citizens of a nation and for the betterment of the well-being of people and the nation as well. So as mothers and as parents, parents should see that the children have some physical activity. It is not that the children are lazy enough just watching TV. And what I have observed is that any child who is physically active is also good in academics.
As a parent, in fact, it is a very challenging task to insist on some regime of physical education. But one interesting thing I did was that I told my daughter, and do you need a gift? She said, I want a gift. And for her birthday, quietly I bought a hockey stick and gave it to her. Do you like this? I said. She said, yes, I am quite impressed by it. I talked to the physical education teacher of our class, our school, and she said that I will take her into the team for practice.
When it comes to my son, in fact, he was little interested in football, but somehow he is not able to make much progress due to various reasons. And he sometimes comes and tells me that he would like to join the evening batches for football or basketball. I also feel that he should do that, but somehow the kind of distance that he has to come is stopping him to do that. So I promised him also that whenever there are holidays, last time there was at Nantur last year, there was a 1 month course to train them in all these sports and games, and I sent my son there for a month so that he will be able to, and the best thing is that he was able to manage on his own. He used to take a bus and go and come back along with one of his friends. That is really, I think, helped him, and that 1 month training has really gone in making him a better and strong child compared to what he was.
Quality physical education classes provide students the opportunity to learn and develop sportsmanship and spirit of teamwork.
Physical education is the best way to refresh our health and mind. It promises a healthy future. With camera person Anaga, this is Nishweda for Campus Eye.
That's all for this week. We'll be back next week with more campus news. So keep watching your favorite program, Campus Eye. Till then, this is Rose signing off. Good night.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.